Hey guys, it's Hair by Ashley. If you want to see how I revived my wig and made it into this and made it all flawless without using any glue, keep watching. I'm definitely very excited to show y'all that y'all can use an old wig and still look good. You don't have to buy a whole new wig all the time unless you need it. Sis, you need to let it go if it needs to go. So first we're going to start off by brushing our wig. So you just want to brush it out. Today I'm using Trusted products to wash the wig. And this is a curly wig, so we're going to see if the curls revive. Listen, we call her old reliable, because she's always there for you when you need her. So we're gonna brush old reliable out. Now I'm putting cold water, warm water on the wig. So you just want to get it really wet. Really wet. You just want to wet your wig. Take your shampoo. And this shampoo is the Deep Cleanse. And look how soapy it gets already. I hope y'all can see because it's looking kind of dark. I'm gonna put some inside the lace, cause you don't want the old, dirt from your old head when your hair was dirty. No, you want to make sure you clean that sucker. Cause clean your wigs. That's the problem. You want to hold on to that wig forever, so you gotta wash it. You gotta make sure you do what you gotta do. Now your wig is washed with the shampoo. You want to go in with your conditioner. Girl, I use so much conditioner. It's running out. And I use a lot. I'm going to take my brush. And I'm not going to go all the way down. But I'm just going to start a little bit at the root. And you see, I'm just stopping like that. And sis, this wig has been installed about 50 million times. Trust me, in water. It's been in pool water. It's been to resorts. It's been to Florida. It's been to Virginia. It's been everywhere. This wig has made it and survived through. So we're gonna see what this wig do for us today. So this wig has no bald spots. It's been installed too many times. And I made it into a glueless wig. So I'm going to show y'all how it looks glueless. Okay, you guys, I am extremely sick, but I want to get this out for you guys because I know a lot of you have wigs that you revive, but you don't know how you should install it or fix it. So I'm going to tell you what you should do exactly. So the first step is separate baby hairs. Easier. Well, second step, because the first step was cut your lace. You guys, you can't keep the extras lace on your wig. You have to cut it off. It has to be cut. Next step, pull out these baby hairs. You don't want to cut them yet, but just pull them out. So now I'm going to go and I'm going to braid the baby hairs up. And I'm sorry, you guys, if I sound muffled. I am very sick. So now I'm just braiding it to get the hair out the way. Take a tweezer, and you just want to tweeze out a few hairs in the front. Just a few. Now this is very hard to do on yourself. You do not want a harsh hairline. And I don't think you should watch videos of people with harsh hairlines. You want your hairline to look extremely natural. And don't be scared. It's already an old wig, so you plucking out more hair, it's not going to make no difference. I'm going to comb out those hairs. Now, which I think I should do, a middle part or a side? I've been thinking, I haven't even really been feeling like side parts for a while, but we're going to do a side part today. I think I'm feeling the side part. Hold up. I look so crazy with this, but okay, so now, mind you, the wig is not glued down. This is for your glueless wigs that you don't want to put no glue on, you don't have time to glue, and you just want to put it on and go and have it revive. Now, get you a razor. This is what I use. And you could just cut the hair. You want to cut it down of the angle that you have. So I'm just cutting a little hair. And I'm cutting it short because I don't want long baby hairs. I want them to be very natural. I want this whole look to be natural. I'm going to take some mousse. Ooh. I'm gonna take some mousse and I'm gonna place that all over this bad boy, ooh. You want it flat and you want it sleek. That's the whole point of wigs. Flatness, sleekness, and being natural. What's the point? If you can't be flat, you can't be natural. What type of wig is this? What type of wig is this? You just gonna wake up and it's just looking like that? Nah, boo. Nah, boo. So now I'm combing the hair back in place. Now I'm taking the baby hairs I had and I'm just pushing them out because I want them to create its own natural look. Now this is a lot of pulling and tugging, so if you need to hold your wig, sis. It's your wig, sis. Hold it. If it's not as strong as it used to be, hold your wig, sis. Anybody gonna know but you. Hold it, pull it. This around my edges. Now I'm gonna take this cloth thing. I made this out of some piece of clothing. And I'm gonna wrap that on top of my edges. This is what we talking about later. So this is my spray bottle. It looks dingy, but you get you a spray bottle and you're just gonna spray your hair. Just a little. Because you don't want it to look dry, but you don't want it to look too wet. Now the back is still drying. Spray your ends a little bit. Now, my spray bottle is weird, so don't judge me how it's spraying now. I know it looks cray-cray. It is what it is. I'm using some of Shea Moisture's Curl Enhancing Smoothie. And I'm gonna massage that. Come on, peace. I'm gonna massage that through the hair and scrunch it. And scrunch it. Cause ooh, that wash and go type of look. Like, look. Maybe I should dry it a little bit more. Yeah, I know Valentine's Day is coming up, so you gotta look good. And even if you don't have the funds for it, you can look good, sis. You don't have to not look good and not feel. Ooh, ooh, sis. Ooh, sis. Come on, come through, sis. Come through, sis. Come through, sis. Now I'm gonna take my handy dandy thing and I'm gonna fix these because this is not what I want. And I like to comb this out. And I like to comb these and make them look natural. Now remember, this is a glueless. This is a glueless wig that I made. You can purchase one. And I made this like a while ago. You can purchase one from my page, Hair by Ashley. And look at that. Ooh, look at, check the curl. Check the curl. Okay, hold up. Okay, hold up. Let me get Nikki on the line real quick.